class, and welcome to week 12 of ECS 116, Teaching in a Diverse Society. So I was thinking today as I was typing up the instructions for the weeks in this module, and I thought, oh my goodness, we have 4 weeks left. So just 4 weeks. I just wanted to let you know that I will be grading, finishing grading the parenting interviews, and then also I should have your discussion boards finished by today as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at our next module. So module 6 is focusing on what we call the isms. And the isms tend to be things like racism, sexism, ageism. So one, I want to increase your awareness of that, and then two, I want to give you a couple of activities to simulate what it would be like to be an ism. So let's go ahead and take a look at our objectives for module 6. So in module 6, you're going to be able to identify the isms. Also, I'm very interested in you being able to identify your own personal values, beliefs, and biases. So this word bias is going to come up. And please know that everyone has biases. Develop strategies for dealing with the isms on a professional level in early childhood programs. And then our fourth objective is to analyze the biggest challenges in dealing with the isms in early childhood programs. So here's our instructions. So just note that Module 6 is weeks 12 and 13, that you've got assignments for week 12, and then you'll have assignments for week 13. So we're going to look specifically at week 12 right now, but I also want to let you know that this module is open 4:10 through 4:23. In fact, though, I think I've opened it a little bit early for you. So know that the activities are below. Everything is due by the 15th of April, which is Sunday. However, your postings are due before that. So I'm going to ask you to read the introduction to Chapter 6 in your DECE book. Followed by watching the video, students learn a powerful lesson about privilege. And then also to review articles located in the folder Unit 6 readings, or it might say Module 6 readings. And then I have another little video for you called What is Privilege? So there's a short PowerPoint for you to review the different types of isms and their definitions. So I want you to review them, and also additional information in the folder titled Information on the Isms. So please post and respond to the discussion board. It's number 7 on an introduction to the isms. Your first post is due by Thursday, April 13th, and I'm going to ask that you respond to 2 to 3 classmates no later than Sunday, April 15th. So we're going to go ahead and click on the module now. So here you can see that we have our instructions. Here's the readings. Okay, so I also have some additional articles for you. One is Social Justice in the Early Childhood Classroom, What Research Tells Us. Another article is Using Queer Theory to Rethink Gender Equity, followed by Undoing Racism, Understanding White Privilege. Kendall, he's a very prominent author related to the concept of white privilege. Here's our video. Here's another video called What is White Privilege? Here is our PowerPoint on the overview of the isms. Here is information again on the isms. So I have some videos associated with the different types. So this is on ageism and ableism. Here's class, sexism. Here's hidden rules. It's a document on the hidden rules among the classes. I think you'll find this really interesting. So it talks about how families who are raised in poverty, what they believe or what the rules are related to these topics, and then we have families from middle class and what their rules are related to those, and then also the wealthy and what their rules are related to these topics. I think you'll find that really interesting. Here's our discussion board going into an introduction of the isms. All right, so that's going to conclude our week 12. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know. You can reach me at troki@hancockcollege.edu. Thank you.